Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE Main examination. This question came on 26th August 2021 in shift 1. So let us see this question first. In a screw gauge, fifth division of the circular scale coincides with the reference line when the ratchet is closed. So you have been given a setup of screw gauge. All screw gauge consists of a circular division as well as main scale division that we already know. Circular division, this is main scale division on which screw gauge having circular marking, and this can move like just like this. So it has got circular division as well as main scale division. Okay, this is circular scale division. So this much of circular scale has been this much of circular scale reading can move on main scale reading. Okay, once you attach certain object in between them in order to find out its length, so you'll be getting main scale division as well as circular scale division. Okay, circular scale, the main scale 0 must coincide with circular scale 0 of this circular scale reading if no object has been attached. Okay, so if certain object, if no object has been attached, and again if you're getting a circular scale reading, so that means there has to have some error. So this is based, this question is also based on that only. So we'll be studying the question now. Again, there are 50 division on the circular scale. Okay, so it has got 50 divisions on the circular scale, and okay, and the screw gauge fifth division of the circular scale coincides with the reference line when the ratchet is closed. So that means it has got an error. Once this circular division is over here and nothing has been attached, still it is showing 5 scale division of circular scale division. So that means there is an error in it. Okay, and whatever the reading will come, if we'll put the any particular object over here, so whatever the reading will come, that reading has to be reduced by this error. Okay, because eventually you'll be getting more values now. So let this length be, let an object, if I'll take an example, if I'll take an object whose length is 5 meter, let it be, this is an hypothetical situation, but let it be 5 meter. So that means here the reading, whatever the reading, its actual length is 5 meter, but it might be showing greater than 5 meter, don't you think? Because already when it's this circular scale was at main scale 0 point, already you are having a 5 as an error. So the reading is more, so it will show 5 point something or additional. So that means that error has to be reduced. So we will minus that error, whatever the reading is coming, minus error, so that we will get the correct reading. Okay, now we can do the questions. Now the question says it has got 50 division, circular scale division is 50 on a circular scale, and the main screw moves by 0.5 millimeter on a complete rotation. So that is called pitch. If circular scale division by 180 degree, and how much main scale division has moved, that is called pitch, and so the pitch is given to you as 0.5. Okay, so the least count of the screw gauge is also given by this relationship pitch by circular scale division. So what is pitch over here? 0.5 mm divided by 50. Okay, so it is equivalent to 5 by 500. So that is nothing but 1 by 100 millimeter. Okay, I think this, so this you can easily find out the least count from this relationship. Now in the second part of the question, it says for a particular observation the reading on the main scale is 5 millimeter. Okay, one more thing, error has been because of the 5 circular scale division. So the error can also be calculated by using the relationship 5 into least count. Okay, and what is 5? Fifth scale division of the circular scale division. Okay, so it would be equal to 5 into least, what is least count? 1 by 100 mm. So this is the error value that you are getting. This has to be subtracted from the main reading that we are getting. Okay, so I hope this question is clear. this much of question part of the question is clear. So it is nothing but, so 0.5 would be, this is also true. Now a particular observation, for a particular observation the main scale is 5 millimeter. So that means main scale reading that you are getting is 5 millimeter. That means an object has been attached and now you are getting a reading of 5 millimeter and plus 20 division also. Okay, plus 20 division on a circular scale. To calculate the true reading, so what would be the actual value, what would be the actual value of this particular object, what is the actual length? So we already know that this reading must be equal to this actual reading on the main scale, which is 5 millimeter plus circular scale has a division of 20, so plus 20 into least count. So we already know that this reading must be equal to the reading of main scale plus circular scale, number of circular scale division multiplied by least count. So this is the value of reading that we are getting, and this is the value of reading that a screw gauge will give you. So R must be equal to 5 mm plus 20 into least count. So what is least count over here? So this is also in millimeter, so it would be equivalent to 5 plus 1 by 5 millimeter, which is 26 by 5 millimeter. So this much of reading is shown by screw gauge. Now obviously this is a error value, so this has to be so subtracted by this error. So in order to get the actual value, it was 5 by 100, so this is nothing but 1 by 20 mm. So this much of reading has to be reduced from this reading. So now we'll be subtracting that value. Although you won't get much time in the exam, okay, so you have to directly come to this conclusion and you can easily directly write this equation. Okay, so in order to save the time, so the actual reading would be equivalent to this reading minus error. So what is reading over here? 26 by 5 mm minus 1 by 20 mm. So you will get the value and solve it, and you'll be getting this value as 26. I'll take an LCM, so you'll be getting 104 minus 1, so which is 103 by 20. Okay, it is coming out to be 5.15 mm. So the answer would be third would be the correct answer. So you have to first of all see whether it is negative error or positive error. So that means in this particular case you are already getting the error, okay, before the before the object has been attached to the screw gauge. Okay, so you are getting the error, so this is, so such type of error has to be subtracted from the actual reading that you are getting. So this, I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.